Who's a better soldier, you or my dad?
Careful.
Come on, let's go.
Did you actually see my dad's life?
Yes.
We looked after each other.
Kind of like brothers.
Yeah, kind of like brothers.
James, they're cleaning house. You're leaving the Army with an honorable discharge, but you're losing your pension and health care.
We gave them our minds, our bodies, and our spirit. And they chewed us up and spit us out.
I just want to check in with y'all on your past due payment.
Message deleted.
What you did in uniform, sledgehammer shit. Our thing, scalpel work. We operate a deep black OGA offshoot with direct presidential authority.
Bank some decent cash, put a down payment on the house. It's not dangerous.
Now I know you're lying.
Baby, I need to take care of my family.
So what do you say, you down for the cause?
Yeah.
Salim Mohammed Mohsen studied pathogenic influenza viruses in humans. We all know what one motivated radical can do. So let's cowboy up, get it done, and get home to our families.
You don't understand what you're doing. I'm trying to save lives. This is only about money.
What did we do, Mike?
I've got an extraction team, Brown BMW X1. Comply.
I'll do that when you confirm who you're working for.
You work for me. You gotta trust me. I am trying to help you.
Oh, we're working for the president of a corporation.
Get in the car!
They train us to run their errands, kill their enemies, and kill each other. It's easy to kill, but it's much harder to survive. We need to get back home. Home's a memory.
He's gonna come after you with everything he's got.